So question number 7 of exercise 13.2. What is given? A solid containing of the right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter. This is the solid contained right circular cone of height. What is the height given here? 120 centimeter. This is the 120 centimeter and this is the 60 centimeter radius. And standing on the hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter is placed. This is the hemisphere. This is the same radius 60 centimeter, and it is placed upright a right circular cylinder full of the water such that it touches the bottom. So this can be put into the right circular cylinder. So it touches the bottom. So it touches the bottom. Find the volume of the left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 6 centimeter and height is your 180 centimeter. So height is your 180 centimeter and that cylinder base is 60 centimeter. So what is the water left over there? So for this formula is volume of water left out in the cylinder, left out in the cylinder equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone minus volume of hemisphere. So first of all we will find that volume of the cylinder. What is the formula of volume of cylinder? That is pi r square h. So what is your radius? 60 centimeter and height is equal to 180 centimeter. So what is the formula here? Pi value, that is pi r square h. Pi r square is 60 whole square, h is 180 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cylinder. Next come to volume of cone. 1 by 3 pi r square h here. So what is the one? R is same. R is equal to 60 centimeter and volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square. Its radius is 60 centimeter and height is 120 centimeter. Put the value here. Pi r square, that is 60 whole square, h is equal to 120 centimeter cube. Next come to your what is the volume of hemisphere. What is the volume of hemisphere formula? That is 2 by 3 pi r cube. That is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So next is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So what is the r here? R is equal to 60 centimeter cube. Okay. So next is what is the volume of the water left over there here. Volume of water formula as usual know, that is volume of the cylinder. What is the volume of the cylinder? Pi 60 whole square 180 minus volume of the cone 1 by 3 pi 60 whole square 120 minus 2 by 3 pi 60 whole cube. So what is the common here? We will take common pi here. What we will get? 60 whole square, that is 60 square also we can take common. So what left over there? 180 minus pi 60 whole square getting 123. Next is minus 2 by 3 into 60 left over there. So pi 60 whole square, that is 180 40 20. This is 40, 3s are 20. This is also 2 into 20 40. So pi 60 whole square 180 minus 80, that is 100. Pi into 60 whole square into 100. So next what here the volume is left for the centimeter cube. So what is the volume of the water? That is pi 22 by 7 into 60 whole square 3600 into 100 centimeter cube. We convert into meter cube, we can divide it by 100 into 100 into 100, because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 2 zeros cancel, 2 zeros cancel. What left over there? 22 into 36 by 7 into 100. Okay. So next what we will do here, 700 multiply here 36 into 22. 2 6 are 12, 72, 2 7 2 9, 792, 792 by 700. So this is divided by 700, 700 1 is 700, 92.0. Next what we will get here, 700, that is 8 is 792. Okay, again 1 is 700, what you will get 22003 ja. That is 1.13 meter cube. This is the answer. This is number 8 of exercise 13.2. What is given? A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck. So this is the cylindrical neck and that is spherical glass vessel. Okay, now the cylindrical neck has 8 cm long. This is the 8 cm long and that 2 cm diameter. This is the 2 cm. It is also 2 cm. Now what we will there in diameter, the diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 cm. This is the diameter of a spherical part, 8.5 cm. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds the volume to be, a child finds out the volume is to be 345 centimeter cube. So check whether the correct answer or not. So first of all what we will find out, the amount of the water it holds is equal to, what is the volume of the cylinder, plus volume of sphere. So what is the volume of cylinder formula? As you know that volume of the cylinder, pi r square h. So what is the pi r square? Radius it is given, diameter it is given 2 cm, radius is equal to diameter by 2, that is 2 by 2, that is 1 cm, and height is equal to 8 cm. So volume of the cylinder equal to volume of cylinder pi r square. Pi value it is given 3.14, r square is 1 whole square, it is 8. So this is centimeter cube. Next is your, what is the volume of a sphere formula? Volume of a sphere formula is here 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is the r here? Diameter it is given 8.5 centimeter. So what is the radius here? Diameter by 2, that is 8.5 by 2 centimeter. So what is the volume here? Volume of a sphere 4 by 3, pi value 3.14 into r cube, that is 8.5 by 2 whole cube. So what volume of the water holds here? Volume of water equal to, what is given? That is we got 3.14 into 8 plus 4 by 3 into 3.14 into 8.5 whole square divided by 2 whole cube, that is 8. So here what will the common we will take? Common is your 3.14. What left over there? 8 plus 8 2 ja. So 3.14 upon 3 into 8.5 in whole cube, 8.whole cube upon 2. So now 2 1 ja 2, 1.57, that is 1.57. 3.14 we have taken out, so it is become 1, it will be left over there 1 by 3. Okay, 3.14, 8 plus 8.5 whole cube by 6. That is, what is 8.4 cube? 8.5 into 8.85, that is getting your 25, 5 to 42. This is 40, 0, 4, 68. 5 to 12, 7. Again it is multiplied by 85. that is 5 5 are 25 to 12 1 36. Again here 8 5 are 40 0 4 16 22 18 8 1 57. So what we will get 3.148 plus 5 2 1 14 10 10 plus 1 11 6. So this is 61.4 divided by 6 centimeter cube. So what is the next answer steps is your next is your, so what you will get here 3.148 8 plus 102.213 3 means 32 means 5 4. So that is 3.14 into 110.354. You have to multiply here, what you will get? So your answer will be volume of the water 3.14 into 110.354. So you have to multiply 110.354 into 314. For 4 is 16, 21, 2, 14, 144. Next is 4, 5, 3, 0, 1, 1. Next is 3, 4 is 12, 2, 1, 50, 16, 1, 10, 10, 0, 1, 1, 33. So 6, 5, 9 plus 2, 11, 1, 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 1, 5, 6, 4, 3. That is answer is your 346, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0.51156 centimeter cube. But the child finds that is your 345. So the child is wrong. The correct answer is 346.51156 centimeter cube. This is the answer.